It's the 4th. Wait. It's the 4th of March. Manchester. Where are we going?
Phuket, Thailand.
4th of March 2025. We're off to Phuket. Come along with us.
Yeah, man.
17. Update. My phone's broken.
You guys. What's the video?
It won't turn on. What's happened?
First expenditure of the trip.
Phone is broken. I've dropped it in security. I need to buy a phone. Are these ones? That's not even a bad price. I might get that. I want to buy a phone. Great. Let's buy a phone.
Just treat yourself.
What the f***? Is it? I don't even know if it's filming. Is it filming? Yeah, it's filming. Need a charger. Charger. This video better go like viral or something. Link to my GoFundMe is below. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna sort this out.
Like, share, comment.
And I'm probably gonna have to ask them to switch my SIM card in that shop with like a pin.
I think it'll be charged. They usually are charged.
Yeah, there's no Wi-Fi, so I can't set it up. Basically, no phone until I get to Thailand. That's pretty sick. Update, trouble update.
Charlie's crying. I'm pretty happy. Going well.
I ordered a beer, did not get a beer. Dropped my phone. Had to buy a phone. Was.
Had to buy a phone case.
Had to buy a phone case. Had to buy a cable. Both of them 50 quid together. That was nice. So expensive. Next update. Update us.
Charlie's delayed the whole flight because he's a knobhead.
I left the battery in my camera. I'm actually shaking.
Good boy.
We would ask you please to pay very close attention to this. This is containing extremely important information.
Afghanistan. About halfway in. I'll try and make sense of the videos before. Basically, I smashed my phone in security. Well, I didn't smash it, I just dropped it on my phone. And the screen just wouldn't turn on. So that phone was actually working. So basically, 10 minutes from that, I just decided I need to buy a new one. And I bought an iPhone 15, which was 650 quid. Can't believe it. But then, also in security, I remembered that I'd left a lithium battery in my camera started stressing out, so I told them, and then they pulled me aside, and they were like, yeah, you're gonna board. Once everyone's boarded, you're gonna come off, and you're gonna find your case, and then take the battery out, and then put it in my bag. So that's what happened. Yeah, it caused a massive delay, massive over like half an hour, because of me. But yeah, currently over Afghanistan. I'll be there in about 6 hours. It's 10:30 England time. I reckon here time is about 3 AM. That's like, there's how we're looking. Let's go.
Thank you.
Take care, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Have a nice time. Thanks, mate. Cheerio, bye-bye. Have a nice time.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I've got it. There's a naked man in Phuket airport.
Shirt just came with me.
It is. Oh, it is well off. Oh. I feel wet. The humidity. Yeah, guys. Went it to the transfer. The drivers got out, so we're not going anywhere now. This is the hotel. No, it's not.
That's funny.
Fantasy.
Fanta. Comma.
See you, Fanta.
I don't know if chat can see it right now.
Chat is literally ruffling right now. Just reading out some chats from you guys. Where's the walrus? Sorry, Lewis isn't here today. He's actually coming next week.
Chat, what do we think? It's a bit dodgy. No, it's not that bad. Upon closer inspection. Oh. Get off me.
Now.
What?
Tired wave has just hit me.
What do you mean? You take us to the room and then they're doing the suitcase.
Giving the things to the other people. That's what I was saying.
No, I think I don't know. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
That's the
That
shrine.
can just.
To a drink. Why is it so high?
That's pretty sick. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, the cook bath! We'll go back to that. We'll go back to that. You got a little crab?
Great.
Oh, we've got the lazy river. This is a lazy river.
You're a lazy river.
God. Bear with us.
Hello, all. Thank you very much. Cheers, sir.
Thank you. balcony tour. Let's get. There's a waterfall.
What that? What the jar?
Oh, that's pretty nice. Shut door, don't let mosquitoes in.
The net.
Pretty good. Alright. Oh, we've got an iron.
An island?
Iron. That's disgusting.
Sorry. Are you going to use the bath at any point during this set?
That's a joke, maybe.
So what? I think I got that one.
Very nice. Oh! Get a little water bottle.
Get up the water.
So this is a story time.
Yay.
So, we got to the hotel, and then
Charlie got bummed.
went for lunch, and then I went to sleep. What did you have for lunch, Harrison? Please tell us.
Food?
He thinks he's funny. I had a burger and some prawns. He had seafood linguine and some lettuce. Now we are off for dinner.
No, not.
Dinner time. It's dinner time. Let's go.
Where do we know it's here?
Oh, is this someone from? Oh no. People down there. Play Jenga.
What pool tomorrow?
That not snooker. Chess.
Oh, someone's got checkmated. You're the guy.
It's steamed up 'cause it's so humid. Fine food. It's lunchtime. It's not, it's dinner time. It's dinner time.
Can't take you anywhere, can I? Chicken?
Chicken. Thai tamarind sauce.
Some herb.
I wish I got one that's garlic and herb.
Oh, is it garlic?
Very nice chicken. Here's the surroundings. There's a wedding down there.
There was a wedding up.
There was a wedding down there.
It got called off.
It got called off.
It
didn't.
Stop lying. It can.
It's currently. What time is it? It's this time. For all you at home, it's 3:39.
How you had international viewers? You know how big?
Not yet, no. We're working on that. So this is Thai tamarind. Oh, it's spicy. I didn't know that. Oh, really spicy that.
Charlie
How
shoved
was
the
your
table
food?
twice even though I told him not to and he dropped my fork on my arm.
No, I didn't. Anyway,
Yeah. And you ruined my shots.
really good chicken. Really good. Lot of meat. Just that bone.
And he still doesn't apologise for it.
I don't need to.
He does.
That very nice sauce. Yeah, they go. It's the next morning. It's very humid.
Here's the view we've got currently. It's probably about 6 AM. Basically couldn't sleep anymore after I woke up. Got some decent sleep. Yeah, today we've got nothing to do. Just relaxing. Exploring the beach, I don't know. We got some breakfast soon. And yeah, pretty good. See, this water here stinks like bleach. So I think that's from the laundry. So I don't really want to step in it. It's coral. Oh, that is just coral, which is pretty sick. Oh my god. Fucking leaf fell out of the tree. Tell you what, it's 6:51 and the temperature is 27 degrees. Probably a cloudy day today, probably tell. Still alright though, because it's warm enough. That's the waterfall, so that is my room. My house, I get to it. We're at the pool right now. Enjoy the pool activities. Gonna put it underwater. That's one. What a test. Isn't it a better getting in place? Or is this jump? What's it? It's not like a. Oh, I'm off in the hot tub. Are we in the hot tub? Well, pool. Underwater.
I don't know all the mess. Fuck everything up. Fuck off, please.
Those are like beanbag things, like floating things to land in the water. I need to try and find one. I don't know how I go on one. Centipede. It's like a waterproof beanbag. God's sake.
said this for you to piss me off. Tell me about the ride.
It was great. And apparently you're spinning around, and sometimes apparently I get dizzy.
Can't remember. What the hell? I thought it was buoyant.
It's lunchtime. Burger. I'll club sandwich.
What did you get? What did you get? Pizza.
You got pizza. What else did you get? You have to get a start and a dessert just to for the rules.
So you get your money's worth. I get your money's worth.
What else did you get?
Same as you. What did you get?
I got stuffed tomatoes with shrimps, and then I got
Brownie.
brownie for dessert. I'm so tired.
I think his pizza's a bit tough. I think his pizza's a bit tough.
For a second. It took you 4 seconds.
Yeah.
Doing a football POV. Football POV.
It took you 4 fucking seconds to piss me off. Fucking.
Boss, we are actually hitting it now. Yes! Yes! We got one. We got one. Get it! Get it! Get it!
We are going to. We're off to Phuket. No, we're off to Patong Town Beach. On a motorbike. I've never been on a motorbike before. 2 bucks.
Apparently, we have to pay them cash. And I've never been on a motorcycle before. Apparently, card is an option. Because apparently Uber is not used in this country. I'm very scared that we might crash and die.
That's what I think it's mine. Hello. Is it this one? Yeah. Let's stick this in here. How do I hold on? Just yeah, good. That was one of the scariest things I've ever done. Hello. No, it's fine, Harrison. No thanks. Market. Oh, it fucking stings.
Should be used to it by now, mate. That's what you smell like every day.
Watch out. Police one.
I've seen it.
I'm not wanting to help.
Tonight. Oh, right, okay. In Bà Con Bắc Kinh.
All right, okay.
Side them yellow.
Right. Perfect.
Would you like for the shooting?
No.
No, thank you.
I keep for discount for you. No problem.
Look, maybe later.
Yeah, we'll come back.
And baby, you want to go tonight?
We'll go to
We'll see. We'll come back to you.
Where you going?
Shopping centre.
shopping.
Shopping.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. What do you cross? Now.
Oh, we want to the mall.
Is that what you do? I don't know if that's how you cross the road here. What the hell is that? This place is so out of my comfort zone. This seems more chill here. What's all with the baby beans? Oh. Right, need a phone shop. Harry's smashed. Think they do bikes? Just a question. Take it home with you. Well, how do you cross? Yeah. Hello.
Together.
No, you just went and...
So opening.
Shit's actually fucked. I had to just carry him back to the room like this. He's like actually like, he's gone. These guys were like running after us. And we ran away from them up the hill. He's so far he couldn't get up it. So now he's just dead. Such a shame, such a loss.
You look lonely. I can fix that. What the Sigma?
You're so fine, you're on my mind. It's only ball here. I got some food.
Yes, we are. What the shit, man?
Go. That one.
Deep balls.
No, I'm not gonna be sure. No, get in. I said to watch it real quick. I done it. Yeah, fuck off, Joe.
Did you beat me?
Yes, I did.
This is bread. Bread is warm.
Good bread.
That's not butter.
I can't believe it's not butter.
I can.
It can. Doesn't taste like bread.
That's alright.
Seconds! It took you 4 seconds to piss me off again.
Walk into 7-Eleven. What the?
So sweaty.
So this is. Smells horrible. I feel sick with this smell, you know. Look, I'll go for crisps. Fine with this. Let's find some more stuff. $35, that's about 50p or something, I don't know. I don't mind walk. It's downhill. See ya back at the hotel. The sun is shining, waking up, sleepyhead, let's get back. We have to see the elephants today. I have never seen an elephant before. I'm going to take you to breakfast. We haven't shown you breakfast yet.
This emphasises length. This one is actual size.
Out. Took a photo of us, which is quite weird. Does it? Oh. I wish I brought my hat.
This one, number one. Later on, when you visit our elephant, Please respect them is like one person in your family. Guys, let me talk to you a little bit of this. Before we start every activity, it's like I let you know before, we have 12 elephants and you're gonna see every one of them today. I'm very happy to see you guys.
Oh, we got toast. Oh.
The locker key. One family, one locker key. And keep everything in locker over there. Behind you, we have a locker. That's only one family, one locker. This one, guys, please put down your name.
Подойдите, говорят, к дяде.
4 месяца. 4.
Wow. Elephant gun. Oh. Wow. Hello. We did a family photo. That's one that gets emailed to us.
So everyone, let's come this way, guys. Okay, so everyone, we will start to prepare our basket now. And everyone come with us? I don't think so. This is cloth and this is a piece of sugar cane. You will do like this. Everyone ready?
Oh my god.
Okay? It's okay? It's okay?
Give me a fright, sorry.
Maybe if you cut your finger, it's gonna happen. It's not very okay. That's why you don't need to hurry. You can be slow. In the middle. Like that, it's gonna be better. In the middle. And after this, you will separate for 4 pieces and put inside the basket. Okay.
Welcome to Cooking with Charlotte. And Harrison.
Cooking with Charlotte. Where?
I think it's the holding hand.
Yeah, it's the holding hand anyway. I was right.
I forgot to say this. Oh, right. This one, I read it. The labour on holiday. It's not good. Gotta see Miss Eliza. Gotta go to Mississippi.
Jesus. Hey, fuck you, pal.
Everyone, let's put some over there.
Oh, he's so greedy. Just throwing it in his mouth. That's so cool. Another one, big boy? Yeah.
One more? Sorry.
Hey, you want another? Some me, pal. Some me.
A little waste all of one, but yeah, a big.
I did.
Okay, put lên. Put lên.
Here. Go on. Take it. You've just been robbed.
Uncle, put it on the
Oh. England. Yeah. How old is that? A little one.
Baby one?
Yeah.
1 year old.
1 year old.
Same age me. And you?
Yeah. Close. Oh my god.
Okay, come on, let's feed it.
Yes.
Give it 2 or 3 pieces.
3, 2, 3, dale, ya ahorita.
3. Don't be slow, okay. One piece.
You stay here.
Mấy đi.
Hi, Hi. Hey.
To się może sprzedać.
Tego je mix món có máy grill. Making noises. Chill. Chill, bro. What's in my hand now? Save some for the others. Ah. Thank you.
I want to feed the baby.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, 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 yes.
Kurkuma. Or turmeric powder. You're gonna take 1 spoon and put inside the basket there. And after you finish that, we have our water. Do you know citronella? Citronella. It looks like lemongrass, but it's not lemongrass. It's protect from mosquito and ticks. You're gonna take a spoon of citronella water and put inside your basket. And after this, use your hand to mix everything together.
I wasn't listening. What was it?
Half a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of turmeric. Water. Put the water in. Apparently this water has lots of ticks in it.
Does it? Actually.
Other Yes. Makes the medicine go down.
Start it now.
I like mine salty.
Oh, I think you need more water.
So get your hands dirty now, mate. Well, just do. I just said okay. Okay, well, okay.
Turmeric.
I have turmeric and ginger shots. Gummies at home.
I don't know, that's good. Aqua mineral.
Nice.
Right, smile.
My eyes.
Do I need my grass? Lemongrass.
It's not lemon.
Oh, I don't want some hands.
It's on hands. You're gonna have to scrub it soon.
Like that and you're licking my finger.
It's okay. Yeah, actually it's good for you. See the picture.
Like a prostate exam gone wrong.
Today's good. Thank you. Who's got the problem?
She's great.
What
happened?
You're probably fine. Everything's fine, yes.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure it's good or not.
Ah, that's good. Thank
That's
you.
okay?
perfect. Thanks very much.
Brilliant. Thank you.
Good on you. Side by side.
A deal, yeah?
Yes, I do. Don't listen to one, yeah.
Where do we scrub anywhere?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Oh, in the body is better.
In the body.
Oh.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Smiley face. I've done a smiley face. Oh, I don't want to do this. Messy. I spray him I feel bad spraying it in the face.
Perfect. Good, good, good.
Doing all the very good work.
Oh! I'm quite distressed by that.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Hey! Sorry! It was a prank, it was a prank! I was drinking, that's so cool. How am I getting taxed somewhere else?
You're actually mad smart.
The garden hose.
Okay, guys. You're gonna take a brush and go inside and scrub elephant skin. Ready?
I'm on that.
Thank you. I was here at bloody mass pit because that turmeric stuff's come out my ear. Yeah. What's she doing? We're drowning it. Oh my god. Someone help. Is that allowed? Look here, snorkel.
I do remember it's supposed to be cruelty free, but it's still under.
He's actually trying it.
Oh wait, he's got his trunk. Is people going in with sliders? I feel like it'll float away.
Good point. I think he did. Let's try it.
Help. Oh my god, what am I doing? Bloody, that's deep. Oh yeah, get the brush.
Shit, yeah, sorry.
Whoa. Doing my bit for the community. I'm gonna go to a big one. Whoa. What the? Surely this sounds like parasites in.
I want you to get a pink cover.
Hello. Leave me alone, please. I'm scared. Oh, your experience.
You didn't miss it, you hit it then. Thank you.
Okay. We ordered lobster for how much? 500 baht. How much is that? It's £11. £11. There we go. We've got really nice salmon crudo. Beautiful. What have you got? Oh my god.
I don't know what the fuck to do.
We got a pile of raw mince with a raw egg on top.
Primal. It's not raw, it's cooked.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
First bite. Make some. Oh, first bite. Wow. Yo guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be eating chips. Nom 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 nom.